Can you explain to us where we are?
We are at the irrigation system.
Yeah, so this is the irrigation system for the farm? Yeah, so we're not at the farm yet. We're gonna be walking, but it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. Apparently, there's supposed to be a lot more water, but now it's like low tide, maybe. It's just dry, period. But it's nice. It's all in the outback. It's all mango trees. So you want some mangoes? You go there. It's free. It's free flowing. You know. You don't have to buy it, right? Yeah.
So to get to the vegetable farm, we had to pass through this irrigation system in Tanza, Cavite. It is a must-try experience if you come to Tres Cruz.
It's actually quite magnificent, the view here. Really rural. Not much to say, other than you just gotta enjoy the view, right? It's a little bit windy here as well, sorry about that. It feels like we're walking in the jungle. This is like pretty cool. There's banana tree right there. It's like our own tour, our own tour guide. All right, we're getting close, but what animal are we seeing in front of us?
Cow.
It's a cow.
My dad used to have a cow.
Yeah. Oh, died?
Sold it.
He sold it. How much is one cow?
One cow.
One cow. How much is this? How many peso? 50,000 peso. One cow. 60.
60,000.
Yeah.
Depends on the farm.
What do they do? They just help the farm?
Yes.
Oh.
Milk. You can milk them.
You can have free milk. Free milk, exactly. Just gonna show you, these are all eggplants. You can see one right there dangling. And just around the corner over here, I'll show you, is a pig's den. You can smell the pigs. Oh. Right there, that's a pig den. Quite a few of them. Still not in the stage of eating yet. We're here now at the farm, and obviously you can see a lot of tomatoes. Bring it up close. They're still not fully ripe. When will it be done? When will this be ready? March.
In the middle of March.
Do you harvest yourself or do you hire staff? Can you ask your brother that? Oh, middleman. They come and they harvest. Okay. So they just pay you lump sum and then they take over. Okay. So once you finish harvesting and the middleman comes in, you start all over again, right? Do you plant anything other than tomato?
Corn.
After that is corn. Okay. Have you tried different vegetable? No. Just these two, right?
Tomato and
Corn.
corn? Huh?
Turnip.
Alternate.
Turnip. Very good.
I think that's easy to grow.
Yeah.
Low maintenance.
That's a lot of. That's about all the questions I have. But the last question I ask is about what happens if typhoon, right? Well, the reality is the crops get destroyed and they have to start all over, right?
Yeah. And then
No income. Yeah. No income. Zero. Okay, so that's the risk associated with having a farm. Yeah, and farming, obviously, in general. But yeah, that pretty much concludes the farm tour. What do you think of it? Yeah, you've been here before as a kid, right? Yeah, we're basically going back to our roots, or her roots.
After heading back out through the same route that we got here, I noticed something very interesting.
FYI, so this dam, this irrigation dam, actually got destroyed by a typhoon. So the water level used to be a lot higher, obviously. They recently rebuilt part of it. They're gonna finish it later on. But this is how it looks like over here. And because of the water destruction, the typhoon destruction, it opened up this kind of like, what do you call this? No, this particular indentation is very ancient, very Hispanic, Spanish? Since the Spanish. So it's a different type of irrigation, very similar to what's happening here. And if you look further down, you see a lot of the stones right there that were remnants of what was used to be here. It's pretty cool. So we're at a local market for produce here in the Philippine rural area. Show you guys around very quickly. Go from there. Welcome to the market. Lots of produce. So this vegetable section, meat section. This is more vegetable. This is fish. And if you go deeper in here, this is the non-perishable area. You get some oil, some rice, some noodles. Quite an interesting market. Pretty much your one-stop shop for goods. So yeah, it's actually a very interesting local market. It has all the basic necessities: fruit, vegetable, meat, non-perishable goods. And I'm basically like butt fuck nowhere, man.
After getting our produce from the market, we went back home and had lunch. I'll quickly show you guys what we ate.
I want mango.
Here is the Filipino hospitality. What's this, pancet?
No, it's chop suey.
Chop suey. This is just regular rice. We got some fried fish, and then this is the pork adobo. No, just joking.
This pork.
Regular pork. Guys, lunch was actually pretty good, right?
Yes.
You full? So after this, we're just gonna look at some albums, look at the history of life, right?
Yeah, he's my college year.
Yeah. We're just looking at some albums, that's it. But I just keep it personal. I won't put it on YouTube. Yeah, just chilling, enjoying the breeze.
After chilling at the house for a bit, I decided to walk out onto the street and show you guys the convenience store nearby.
So just behind me is a store. And I'll show you guys what they sell. So, a lot of non-perishable goods, obviously, because of the situation that we're in. They also got some frozen food, if you're interested. So this is how it works. If you need something, you just ring the bell. Someone will come. And you can order pretty much anything that is necessary. Yeah, so you have some medicine here. Some candies right over there. Nuts if you need to. It's a little storefront. This is how the Filipinos do it. Let's walk a little bit. Here's the tricycle. This is their mode of transportation.
I'll also show you guys the surrounding neighborhood.
And yeah, there's basically one road and families living on both ends the street. I won't go too far, simply because it's a little hot right now. I have my hat on, and yeah, there's actually some modern houses here. And what's also very interesting is if you look at the front of each house, some of them have like the names of the family. For example, this is like the Benavides family. There's also Martez, San Jose. It's just like, I'll show you very quickly here. This is the Toledo family. So yeah, it's actually quite interesting. So basically what I'm trying to say is, you know, living in the village Very simple, nothing complicated. People live day by day. They're not thinking about what's happening 10 days from now, a week, a month from now. They're living day by day. There's actually no restaurant around here. It's just basically convenience stores, pharmacy, just the basics, right? Motorbikes here, stray dogs right there. So that's the life of a Filipino in the village. So in conclusion, I would say that coming to a rural village definitely gives me a whole new perspective of how people live, of the things that I take for granted living in the West. If you ever come to the Philippines or anywhere in the Southeast Asia country, visit one of these villages and embrace yourself into the culture and the lifestyle. It's not as easy as you think. That's my perspective, right?
At nighttime, we drove to a nearby SM mall for dinner.
Alright, SM, here we go. We're back at SM. We're gonna try some pizza called, what is it called? Shakey's restaurant. Quite interesting. I don't know what to expect. We're just gonna walk in and go order some pizza, go from there. There you go, the family's here. Walk in. It's like a family event.
Just wanted to let you guys know that this restaurant isn't your typical pizza joint that you would go to for a quick meal. It's pretty much designed to house families of all sizes, as you can see. What I like about this restaurant is its decor and how spacious it is.
Alright, this is the deal that we're gonna get.
After ordering, we settled into our seats and waited for our food to arrive. As for me, it was my first time trying pizza in the Philippines.
Try some pizza at Shakey. You excited? Alright, we got the family here. They're all ready. Feast.
So the meal combo that we ordered came with pasta carbonara and garlic bread. Let's see how it tastes like.
First thing we're gonna try on our hit list is some spaghetti. Carbonara. Not bad.
After that, our fried chicken and mozzarella stick arrived.
Right. For the chicken. Wow.
And then finally, the main highlight of the night is this pizza.
Let's try the pizza here. It's thin crust, right? Thin crust, guys. Thin crust. Pretty good. Yep.
So that pretty much sums up my experience eating at Shakey. If I were to go back in time, I would order the thick crust instead of the thin crust pizza, just because you obviously get more bang for your buck. Other than that, I would highly recommend coming here with your family and friends and enjoy the wonderful pizza and fried chicken that this restaurant has to offer. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Cheers.